Hi, I'm David with EcoSmart Shades, and today I'd like to give you a few tips on installing our EcoSmart Cellular Shades. All of our cellular shades use the same metal head rail at the top of the shade and the same mounting brackets. When you receive your shade, you're going to get 2 to 5 brackets depending on the width of the shade. Those are going to install inside the window frame or above the window frame. And in the end, you're just going to snap the shade onto the brackets. For the brackets, your shade is going to have stickers on the head rail indicating where the brackets should be within the head rail when you install them. If you put the shade up in the window, you can mark those locations where the stickers are on the window frame, preferably with something removable like tape, and then install the brackets in those locations. The bracket itself installs with one screw through the slotted hole in the bracket if you're installing inside the window frame, and it goes upwards. If you're installing outside the window frame, above it, then you want to use the 2 holes in the back with 1 screw in each hole. The bracket is going to end up with the lip in the front of the bracket in this slotted area in the front of the head rail. So you want to make sure that you get that head rail with the slot and the lip lined up. If you have a wide shade, you might want somebody to help you so that you have one person on each side of the shade as you install it. You also want to make sure, especially with a wide shade, that the brackets are lined up evenly and no brackets are more forward or backward than the others. If you're mounting above the window frame, you want to make sure that no brackets are higher or lower than the others. You can use the shade itself as a straight edge to determine if everything is in its proper position. When you're finished installing the brackets, you're simply going to put the head rail up into the lip and you can pop it on, and don't be afraid to give it a little nudge with the palm of your hand. If you have any difficulty, one thing you can do is back out the screws about a half a turn to give a little more play for the brackets. If you're installing above the window frame and you're having a little difficulty, make sure to push up and backwards at the same time. Other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. And of course, we're always here to help.